ไม่ใช่อย่าไปอันเจ็บเนาะตัวผู้ใจดีจังเลยมันไปจะเป็นกรรมมันรู้มีเยอะ
Itu kan lawan teman. Kan sowan yang sing lemot me.
แต่ดีบาพี่เป็นนอนกำฮอกเอกเอปิกก็ตางนี่ละยอชงทุกหลังหากิสุรกบาบาอมหากิเบสเนียวมังงาบัดมาพี่นี่ละบันวันรายก็จิงกันละเอ้ยเป็นเนยุขัดกันได้ตรึกอุอีปรึ
19 April and late but P late time vote
Come join us this 19th of April and let's make a change by voting together.
ก็ขัดขันได้ตรึกยายองกันเดกสิงกับบกองสันตามหากจิงพนลงยากโลกสภา election นักบันตาकी आतली की सीट हमें खा लिया कताนักบันตาका शिलोंग parliamentary constituencyบัดกตูรา parliamentary constituency กบัดนเรียวลาสาวุดकी kertong hakaran san kajian tiap vote kan sedang naduk kapor nyo beje men step war kan kod ha kapor sau beje jan met jong ka khat khandai trik ya yong arajar arpu sau ki don hadu arpu arlak arpun riu hajar sanspa riu pun yongot ki nong tiap vote ha ka ba shpola khandai hajar sanspa khat nyongot ki de ki shinrang bat khat weilak arpun yo hajar sau pun yongot ki de ki kenthai bat laingot ki third gender ki ban pendep ya lagi jong ki hok ha ki lai hajar sanspa khat artli ki polling station na ka banta banjir ya ki no ya lambat thmai jong ki ban let mi khmat ya ki na ki artli ki constituency shaka parliament ngilalong ki bala khre na ka banta ban penlong ya ka jinga thep vote la shai ka sngi khat khandai taring ong chief electoral officer CEO u Dr BDR Tiwari habakren shikilat pathai khubor ha ka sngi palei ula pentep ru baki don baro Southport company ki bor pahara Central Armed Police Force CAPF ki ban khmi ban pentikna na ka banta ka election ka bayat be ya irnti bat ka basuk basan na kini arpun riu ki de ki CRPF 6 ki BSF 4 ki SSB bat sau ki bor pahara RPF ngilati kena baka jingpenlong ya kani ka election kan long ka bayat be ya irnti bat ka basuk basan benrap utiwari ula ongru baki don khat sau hajar sau pupra kit khot ki ban penyat ya gajinga thep vote habaro ki lai hajar sanspa khat artli ki polling station habaro ki artli ki parliamentary constituency u CEO ula ongru baki don lai pue hajar arspa sau punyongot ki nong thep vote ki ban ningkong e ne ki first time voters khat we hajar nyospa sau pho ki brio ki badan jingduna hakit khot met na ki lai hajar sanspa khat ar ki polling station lai hajar chispa prapun riu ki de ki badon haki thai nong pendong bat lai spa arpun riu haki jakasor utiwari ula ongru baki don sau spa khandai tili ki polling station ki badon jingma na ka jingla ban mi jingklumar bat arpundai tili ki polling station ki bakham shongs ir bat ki don shi spa prapun yo tili ki polling station ki badon haki jaka khapor bat ka Assam bat shi spa sapun yo haki benta khapor bat ka ri Bangladesh ha Shillong parliamentary constituency ka polling station ka badan bun e ki nong thep vote ka de ka 17 nong spung ha 33 rambrai jerngam kata 6000 arspa nyokusaw ki nong thep vote kat ba ka polling station ka badan dunatam ki nong thep vote ka de ka 82 kamsing ha amlarem bat ka 56 Port Hsim haranikor ki badan tangmar laipun riu ngot ki nong thep vote Hatura parliamentary constituency ka polling station ka badan bun e ki nong thep vote ka de ka 12 Chanmari hanotura kata 6000 laispa arku sangut ki nong thep vote bat ka polling station ka badunatam ki nong thep vote ka de ka 53 Narigre ha William Nagar kata prapusan ngut ki nong thep vote nalor kata utiwari ula ong baka constituency ka babuntam ki nong thep vote ka de ka maulai kata sanpho hajar khandai spa sanpusau bat ka badan khandiat e ka de ka dalu kata tang arku ar hajar laispa khandai phupra
Hongkong เราคัดกันไล่ตริกฟิลิปแทมฟูด
มันต้อยบันติแทบวูด election โลกสภา election MLA มันเตะหอยเสีย
พอดีมันเลยแทบฟูดกันขณะบักเซอร์จึงอีกีปาดริวลุมกันสาวาจัมนองบาเดลฮี
แล้วลอร์กรีอินเดียจงยีกับเฮียกิจิงกะลาอายุเก่งใบนี้อีเวลานี่อารมณ์กินอมิขมัดกินละมันวันระ
นี่เวยน้องมิกมารู้ลาบันวันระบูนกับจิงกันละตัวเป็นเช่นนี้ลาดาพี่ดีเนี่ยบัมเลยแทบฟูดลาดาดอนซีเวรู้บัมเลยแทบฟูดบาดาชิคุมตาkan sakhelam ka jing sunchar pajba te pajba baro phila ya so tho ang ka khat kendai tarik ubnai April arajar arphosau ra laki apek
Kenapa no? Epic jonga. Kawat shano.
tong shwa flas no thua am filit thab vun no am ta
Oi ken, nela menjur bat pi. Nek sebut nak menka.
As you all are aware, Meghalaya state is also going to poll for the Lok Sabha elections 2024. It is for the 18th Lok Sabha. On first phase on 19th of April 2024, and voting time in Meghalaya will be 7 a.m. in morning till 4 p.m. We have total 2 Lok Sabha seats, 1 Silang ST which contain 36 assembly segments and 2 Tura ST which contain 24 assembly segments. There are 10 altogether candidates across the state and 6 in the Silang parliamentary constituency and 4 in the Tura parliamentary constituency. We are having total 22,26,567 total voters, out of which 10,99,517 male, 11,27,047 female and 3 third gender voters. So if we see the increase in voter, that is 51,331 more voters in compared to last year's assembly election, and 3,15,195 more voters in compared to previous Lok Sabha election 2029. We are having 633 average electors per voter. So first time voters, there are 31,247, total 11,720 PWD voters, 10,180 85 year plus voters, 5 overseas voters, 100 year plus voters are 341 and 3,884 service voters. Altogether we are having 3,512 polling stations, out of which 326 are urban and 3,186 are rural polling stations. So we are having total 88 polling stations, all women managed, and 60 model polling stations and 10 PWD managed polling stations. So total polling stations which are not totally accessible up to the motor vehicle are number of 50, and we are having webcasting in 1,886 polling stations. Other polling stations will be covered through the video camera or micro observers and other ways. Out of total polling stations, 762 polling stations are P-2 polling stations where the polling parties are supposed to go 1 day in advance. So in all 762 polling stations, polling party has started yesterday on 17th and they reached in their respective polling station. And for other polling stations, which are around 2,750 P-1 polling station, all the polling parties are already dispatched and they are arriving in their respective polling stations. Out of total two parliamentary constituency, in 33 Ramrai assembly segment, 17 Namspung polling station is having 1,274 voters in Silang, and in Tura, that is 12 Chakmari North Tura assembly segment and having 1,324. So that is the largest PS as per number wise, and with the lowest number in the Silang, 82 Kamsing polling station in Amlaram, where the polling party had to go by vote, and 56 Portage Singh in the Ranikor, and both are having 36 voters. And in Tura parliamentary constituency, Nari Creek polling station in William Nagar having 85 voters is the lowest polling station. In 133 polling station altogether in network shadow areas, and total 409 polling stations are vulnerable and 29 are critical. 187 polling stations are bordering Assam and 140 polling stations are bordering Bangladesh. 128 polling parties are reaching to polling stations through the state of Assam. As per area wise, if you see the West Silang Parliament Assembly segment in the Silang, it is having only 2 square kilometer area, and Mausenrut is the largest in area wise, having 1530 square kilometer. So as per the assembly segment wise, Dalu is having smallest number and Maulai is having the largest number of voters. Gender ratio of the elector in this 2024 elections final roll is 1025 and EP ratio is 649. Voting in the previous Lok Sabha elections, it was 71.42, which was more than national average, and out of which 65.48% voting was in the Silang and 81.38% voting was in the Tura parliamentary constituency. So we have distributed the total number of the voter information slips to all the voters, and 2030 accessible VIS also with the braille features have been distributed to the visual impaired, and voter guide has been distributed to 4,59,573 households.
Among the many buttons we push, the knobs we turn, the switches we flick, one stands out as arguably the most important.